हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम करती हूँ आपका अपने चैनल यूनिवर्सिटी स्टॉक में। सिचुएशन की डिमांड को देखते हुए हमने एक नई सीरीज़ का आगाज़ किया है, जहां हम एग्ज़ाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से रिलेटेड यानी एंट्रेंस से रिलेटेड कुछ करंट अफेयर्स आपको आपके साथ साझा करेंगे। इसमें क्वेश्चन के साथ साथ आंसर्स भी होंगे। ये क्वेश्चंस करंट अफेयर्स से रिलेटेड होंगे और इस सीरीज़ में आपको ऐसी 30 क्वेश्चंस बताएंगे। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम इसी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड और भी क्वेश्चंस बनाएं और भी वीडियोस बनाएं, तो हमारे चैनल पे बने रहिए। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच स्टेट हैज़ अनाउंस्ड टू प्रिपेयर गाइडलाइंस फॉर द स्मार्ट किचन स्कीम बाय जुलाई 10th? एंड द आंसर इज केरला। Question number 2. Which aerospace company has launched the Starlink 28 mission with Falcon 09 rocket? Answer is SpaceX. Question number 3. Which international hockey stadium has been renamed after Balbir Singh Senior by Punjab government? Answer is Mohali International Stadium. Question number 4. Who has lobbied the Service e-Health Assistance and Teleconsultation (OPD) portal? Answer is Rajnath Singh. Question number 5. Which association has announced to implement the use of electronic line calling in all tennis courts? Answer is United States Tennis Association. Question number 6. Which ministry of the Government of India has transferred the Srinagar-Leh transmission system to Power Grid? Answer is Ministry of Power. Question number 7. Who has launched the Yuva Pradhan Mantri Yojana to train young writers? Answer is Higher Education Department. Question number 8. Who has announced the PM Cares for Children schemes for children who have lost their parents due to corona? Answer is central government. Question number 9. The tenure of whose research and analysis wing RAW chief has been extended by 1 year? Answer is Samant Goyal. Question number 10. What day is celebrated on 30? And the answer is Hindi Journalism Day. Question number 11. Which state's cabinet has appointed ministers to act as guardians of different districts? And the answer is Assam. How many surprise TP drones will the Indian Army get on lease from Israel? Answer is 4. In which country 6 sacrificial pits have been discovered in the city of Sachin-Dui? Answer is China. Question number 14. Which state's high court has quashed 80% scholarship to Muslim in the state as unconstitutional? Answer Kerala High Court. Question 15. How many countries have the United Nations awarded the Dag Hammarskjöld Medal to soldiers? Answer is 44 countries. Question number 16. Defense Secretary of India who has launched mobile training app version 2.0 for NCC cadets? Answer is Ajay Kumar. Question number 17. To which state has the central government allocated rupees 5,117 crore the Jal Jeevan Mission? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 18. Which country has issued an advisory to increase awareness about national helpline numbers? And the answer is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Question number 19. Who has inaugurated the second floating jetty in Old Goa? Answer Mansukh Mandaviya. Question number 20. What day is celebrated on 31 May worldwide? Answer is International Gadaria Day and World Tobacco Prohibition Day. Question number 21. Which ship has been included in the Indian Coast Guard? Answer Vigilant. Question number 22. Which scheme have been started by Uttar Pradesh government to care of the children orphaned due to COVID-19? Answer is Child Service Scheme. Question number 23. Which bank has launched merchant stake for the retail traders of the country? Answer is ICICI Bank. Question number 24. Which state government has launched the Udan scheme on International Menstrual Hygiene Day? Answer Punjab government. Question number 25. RBI has imposed a tax penalty of ₹10 crore on the bank for lack of regulatory compliance. Answer is HDFC Bank. Question number 26. Scientists have developed an efficient artificial synaptic network that mimics which part of a human? Answer is brain. Question number 27. Which IIT institute has developed India's first indigenous temperature recording service, AMBITUG? Answer is IIT Ropar. Question number 28. Which state government has appointed Chief Secretary Alapan Bandyopadhyay as the principal advisor to retirees? Answer Government of Bengal. Which day is celebrated all over the world in June? Answer World Milk Day and World Parents Day. Question number 30. Which country's government approved 3 children to abolish the 2 children policy? And the answer is Turkey. Now आज के लिए हमारा इतना ही. अब आगे के लिए अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम इसी तरह की और भी सीरीज़ लाएं तो हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइए. आज के लिए थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.